A Milestone card application denial does not always mean you cannot get approved later, but the reason for the denial determines what you should fix next. By the end, you'll know how to find out why your Milestone card application was denied, and the steps to improve your chances before applying again. Start by reviewing the denial notice you received after applying. Credit card issuers provide information about why an application was not approved, and that reason is the best place to start. One common issue is incorrect information on the application. Details like your personal information, address, or income information need to match your records. Review everything you submitted and correct any errors before trying again. Another possible reason is your credit profile. Credit card companies look at information connected to your credit history when reviewing applications. If your current credit situation does not meet the issuer's requirements, the application may be declined. Check your credit reports for mistakes that could affect your application. If you find inaccurate information, follow the dispute process with the credit reporting agencies that show the error. Avoid applying repeatedly without making changes. Each new application should happen after you understand what caused the denial and have taken steps to address the issue. If you are unsure about the reason, contact Milestone Card Support for more information about your application decision. Knowing the exact reason helps you focus on the right fix instead of making random changes. If the denial was related to your credit history, focus on responsible credit habits before applying again. Pay existing accounts on time. Keep your account information accurate, and monitor your credit reports regularly. If the denial was caused by an application mistake, make sure your updated application contains correct and consistent information. The best way to improve your approval chances is to fix the specific problem connected to your denial, then apply when your financial information accurately represents your current situation. Remember the 3 steps. Read the denial reason, correct any issues you find, and avoid submitting another application until you have addressed the problem. Your next step is to check your denial notice and identify the exact reason listed. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards, approvals, and financial apps.